sixth graders. Welcome to the year 2020 to 2021 for OIS. My name is Jackie Mulkey. Sixth graders, you might recognize me. I was a fifth grade science teacher last year, but now I'm a sixth grade science teacher, and I also teach insights for our virtual students. So those of you I'm excited to be here, but those of you who don't know me, I want to give you a little bit of information about me. And I'm sure your parents are too, so this is kind of taking the place of open house. So this is my 15th year teaching. I have always taught science. Even when I was a first grade assistant, I kind of did the science part of the fun stuff. I did the science lab at Della. I started that there, and then I was in fifth grade science for 12 years. So I'm starting something new, going to sixth grade science. Originally from Oxford, even though I've lived here for about 27 years. I grew up in Indianola, which is about 2 hours. It's in the Delta, and if you've ever heard of B.B. King, that's where he's from, and I've met him. And we have a wonderful museum in our town, our hometown, and it was dedicated to B.B. King and his memory. At Ole Miss, I have a business degree, so no, I did not major in science or education, but I've gone back. I'm hoping to continue some more education this fall, and so I decided to stay. And then I met my husband, John, and so we've been married for 24 years, and we live in Oxford. We decided to stay, and we have two wonderful children. Our oldest is Drew. He is, obviously, is our son. He is 22. He just graduated from Ole Miss in May. Obviously, they didn't have a ceremony, but he graduated, and he will be getting married in October to Gabby. You'll see some pictures here in a minute as the video continues. And one of his fun facts about him is that he was Tony the Land Shark last year. We also have a daughter. She's 18, Madeline. She graduated from high school in May. She did actually have a little private ceremony, which was great. And she is going to ICC, or Itawamba Community College in Fulton this fall, and she is part of the band, and she plays bassoon as well, and is going to major in theater. She is a wonderful little actress. Things that I like to do personally, I love finding out all sorts of unique, interesting trivia. I also love the Beatles. I have a different room now. It's kind of a cubby hole. It's not even a classroom. It's an office, but it's not an office. I also love Harry Potter. So if I'm going to tilt, and there you can see, there's Snape. He has returned. He travels with me. He was the science teacher at Hogwarts. Just to let you know, I am super excited. Please email me if you ever have any questions about what's going on in sixth grade science. I will be happy to help you. I'm so excited for this year. So have a great day.